Welcome to Mercato, located in North Naples, Florida. This is a 53-acre mixed-use space with 24-hour security. This is high-end shopping with single-family homes, villas, and condo residences. With the robust event calendar that lasts all year long, Vanderbilt Beach, located just a mile and a half away, you've got Pelican Marsh Elementary, Pine Ridge Middle School, and Barron Collier High School as the assigned schools here. This makes the area in Mercato one of the most desirable places in North Naples, Florida. I'm going to take you on a driving tour through Mercato so that you can see what it looks like during the day and at night when it really comes alive. The Residences at Mercato consists of 33 single-family homes and 19 villas, ranging from 2,600 square feet to over 3,600 square feet. This is the perfect location if you're looking for an urban lifestyle with a little bit of privacy. You've got a gated community here. You're close to Tiburon, the Ritz-Carlton, La Playa Beach and Golf Resort, and of course, Mercato. The Residences at Mercato offers a walkable urban experience that's upscale with a little bit of privacy. We're going to take you on a driving tour so that you can see the homes in this quaint, cute community.